Hi, this is Brittany at Mountain Luxe RV here in Denver, Colorado. We've had a lot of customers recently requesting the lounge floor plan on the Grech RV Strada. We typically have customers opt for the lounge floor plan when they have a specific use in mind. So we thought we'd do a video to explore how we see customers using the Grech RV Strada with the lounge floor plan to help you decide if it's the right floor plan for you. For starters, this floor plan seats up to 9 passengers. That is a lot of people for a Class B RV. Importantly though, it has 4 seats up front, and you have this pedestal table that goes in between the 4 seats, so you can turn the driver and the passenger seats around and nicely sit 4 people around the table in the front. You also get an additional TV up in the front of the van with 2 wireless headsets for those extra passengers in the front. Of course, you also have the kitchenette, the wet bath, and the sofa bed in the back. So let's go inside and chat some more. First, the lounge floor plan is great for families. You can seat 2 kiddos right behind the driver and passenger seat in these 2 front captain's chairs, and your kiddos can be entertained for hours watching the TV with wireless headsets without the noise of the TV disturbing you while you drive. Plenty of room for your pets as well. Whether you're traveling for sporting events or checking out national parks, lounge floor plan can really enhance an awesome adventure with kids. Second, I think of couples traveling together. You can easily travel with 3 to 4 couples for longer drives to fabulous destinations. I think fly fishing trips, ski trips, golf trips, high level of comfort and entertainment on the road. I also sometimes call this our social floor plan. This is a really fun transportation vehicle for groups. Tailgating, concerts, golf tournaments, pickleball tournaments, name any event you might want to comfortably bring a group of friends to. This is the ultimate van for the occasion. We've also seen our customers use this lounge floor plan for work purposes. The front 4 seats around the pedestal table make an easy meeting space on the road. Folks visiting construction sites, traveling nurses, real estate agents, you name it, this van makes working on the road convenient and comfortable. Of course, the other Strada tour floor plan is usually the best fit for 1 to 2 people who are mostly on the road by themselves and do plan to stay overnight in the van quite a bit because it offers some extra closet space and some extra kitchen space. However, we do have a few customers who end up opting for the lounge floor plan because of this seating area up front, so they can keep the bed down in the back and have a separate lounge area in the front here. We are so curious. What do you think? Drop us a comment below to let us know what you think of the Grech RV Strada lounge floor plan. And of course, we would love to show it to you here in person at Mountain Luxe RV. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.